Hello and welcome back to the Cargo's channel. In this very short and video with turbo quality, I just wanted to share with you my return from vacation. It's probably going to be very windy, but I'm finally reunited with Slate. And for the OG subscribers, you know that last two times it actually costed me a lot of money leaving the car for 3 weeks, and that's due to the little emblem that was going up and down. The car's right here, and it's the moment of truth. Okay, at least we have power. That's the actuator on the door. It doesn't always open. I gotta fix it, but it costs $400, so it's gonna wait. And the real moment of truth. It's alive. It's alive. Oh, that's probably because it sat a little while, but yeah, I can say how extremely happy I am that the car actually started this time. That's really good. Now I gotta go and put some fuel in it and yeah, continue with the day. Hope you liked this little video that was really stressful before I started the car. Now I'm really happy. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Wow.